In this video, I will be talking about insertion sorts. To best show how an insertion sort works, I will write the code behind an insertion sort and then show you how the insertion sort works with real numbers. In this case, the code will be a generic method, meaning the method introduces its own type of parameter. For my code, the type is called AnyType. In this insertion sort, it will take in an AnyType array as its parameter. First, int j is declared. Then the nested for loop is created. The first for loop begins at int p, which equals 1, and stops when p reaches the length of the input array. In this case, the input array is called a. When this for loop runs, a temporary variable is set equal to the value of the element at index p in array a. Then 1 is added to p. The second for loop starts at j, which is equal to p, and runs as long as j is greater than 0, and the temporary variable, called temp, is less than the value of the element at index j minus 1 in array a. When this for loop runs, the element at index j in array a is set equal to the element at index j minus 1 in array a. 1 is then subtracted from j. When the nested for loop is complete, the value at index j in array a is set to the temporary variable.
We will now look at insertion sort with real numbers. Insertion sort begins by looking at the leftmost element in an array. In other words, the element at index 0. In this case, this element is 2, and it is considered sorted because there is no element to the left of it. We look at the next element, 1, and compare it to the element to the left. Because 1 is less than 2, 1 and 2 will be swapped. There is nothing to the left of 2, so 1 is finished comparing, and therefore 1 and 2 are sorted. The third element, which is 7, compares itself to 2, which is the element to the left. Because 7 is larger than 2, and 2 and 1 are already sorted, it turns to the next element, to the right of 7. We then continue the process we have already established. This will continue until the full array is sorted.